Chibis, this is Diamond Cute Charms, and on Friday I received my trade package from Bad Kitty 352, and this is her YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to her because she's awesome, and this is her cute package right here. So let's open the package. Sisters, and I didn't open this one before because I was really busy. So yeah, first let me show you my trade item. So we trade for this cute plushie, and I don't have this one, so yay, I love it. It's so soft for my collection of plushies. Super cute. And then she sent me, here's her note. Right here. If you like to read this, press pause. And I'm gonna read this one myself. And then she sent me her business card. It's right here. She has some really cute resin pieces, and she's really awesome. I love her channel. And then she sent me this memo paper. Rilakkuma, another one, Hello Kitty, and another Hello Kitty. Thank you so much for the extras. And then she sent me this one. Yee! Hey, Hello Kitty. I believe this one is biscuit with strawberry cream. I love strawberry. Thank you so much for that. And then she sent me this Easter eggies with bunnies. And these are perfect for resin. For resin, I think I'm going to be doing something really cute with this. Thank you so much, Melissa. And that's everything she sent me. Thank you so much for trading with me, and I hope you like my items. Chibi love!